Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Many thanks for coming over, watching my videos and subscribing. I would also like to say many thanks to my returning subscribers as well. Today I wanted to set up 100 envelopes, and I have got a load of stuff in my craft room that I could make use of. I rummaged through and I found this box of envelopes, this big box of envelopes I've had for so long in my craft room. I had some window ones. Those went off to charity a few months back, and I kept this one for whatever reason, not even knowing that I was going to start saving challenges. But anyway, I've got it, and I've taken out 100 of those, but they were a little bit too long, so what I did is cut them down just over 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters by 21 and a half, just under 21 and a half. Cut them down to fit the paper money in. I didn't want the small square ones because I don't like folding our money, UK money. It's a very funny paper, and when you bend them and score them, it's really hard to open them back up. They're sort of like plastic, a bit like plastic. That's the only way I can describe them. So I cut these envelopes down, and I rummaged around and found this wonderful box that I had. I've decided to use this for my 100 envelopes stuffing. I'm really happy with that. Now, the only thing is, when I cut them down, the side is open. So I've decided to take out so much of my washi tapes. I've got so much washi tapes. So many washi tapes. It's unbelievable. I've still got a load along the shelf in front of me. So I've just decided to take out some of them, and I'm going to stick the sides. It's all about using what you have. They've got some beautiful envelopes, cash envelopes on Etsy and everywhere on the internet, but I decided to use what I have. I'm so happy being on a budget. I really am. Hence my channel name. I love a good bargain, and I do like to make good use of what I have at home. So that's what I've decided to do. And it might be a little tedious sticking them down together, but I mean, how much more tedious can it get? Cutting out the 3x3s or 4x4 squares and then having to laminate them and all sorts. So, you know, it's more or less the same thing. It's going to be an enjoyable project because I'm going to make it enjoyable, because I know what the outcome is going to be. I know exactly what I need to use them for to save money. What I am going to do, I love this little box. I'm so glad that I just rummaged through the house to find things, because I was saying to myself, I must have a box somewhere. I was either going to get a small cardboard box and cut it to a size where the envelopes could fit, and then I came across this box, and this box couldn't be better for it. I'm going to stick the sides down, decorate them with the washi tape. That'll make them a little bit pretty. And I'm also going to decorate around this divider as well for them. If you want to watch me do that, please feel free. I'm going to speed up the video while I stick the sides down. I'll get my scissors as well, because I might need my scissors to do a bit of snipping here and there and everywhere. And I'm really pleased that you're going to stick with me until the end. Fingers crossed. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put some music on and just enjoy yourself. I used to use so much washi back in the day, but it's been quite a while that I've not used any washi tape. And I know this is going to be quite enjoyable to do. Got quite a few done already. Aren't they just pretty? So nice to just use what you have at home. And because I'm a crafter, I have all these things. So I'd rather use them because I have them here to be used. So do look around your craft room and see what you've got in your little craft supplies. See what you have before, you know, you start spending money, especially if you're just starting out to budget and to do saving challenges. I'm going to finish them off, and then once I've finished, I'll come back. All done. 100 envelopes all done. I just took all my washi tapes, well, a lot of them, not all because I've got so many, and just sealed sides. So that will do for me. I mean, they're flimsy, but I'm not taking them out every day, and I'm not using them every day, so they will last just until I can do better and put some money aside to get some more laminating pouches, because I've got cardstock here, I've got paper pads, and I will do some stronger ones when I see fit. This is just to show you, you know, you can just use what you have at home. You don't have to go out buying straight away or putting yourself in debt to get all these envelopes and pretty things to start your budgeting, your savings challenges and your sinking funds. That's all I really wanted to say. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to start my 100 envelope challenge, because I have to check my finances and my budgeting. Once I've done that, then I can be a bit more sure when I want to start, but at least I have them here. And at the beginning of the video I did show you that I found this box that I'm going to use to keep all my envelopes in. So just rummage around your house, see what you've got, and take it from there. I'm going to put some washi tape around this divider. There you have it. I'm really happy with this. And it's about using what you have. It really, really is.